morning, students. Today we are going to start here this NCERT math book. In this NCERT math book, we completed 2 chapters, and in see this third one chapter. Raju wants to ride a seesaw. Raju needs a friend to ride a seesaw. See here a seesaw. Rani comes to help Raju. Rani is here. Raja is here. But still Raju cannot ride it. Can you tell why? Circle this correct answer. Raju needs a friend to ride a seesaw. Then Rani comes to help to this Raju, and this Raju cannot ride it. Sir, can you tell why Raju is heavier, lighter than Rani? Raju is heavier or lighter than Rani. Here Rani is here up and Raju is here down. Means Raju is heavier than Rani. Raju is heavier than Rani. Aslam comes to help them. Then again one friend came here and to help them. Look at this picture. Can you tell why the seesaw turned this way? Raju is heavier, lighter than Rani and Aslam together. Here both Rani and Aslam heavier than this Raju. Therefore Raju is lighter than this Rani and Aslam together. Next one, see this picture. I have an idea. Raju said, I have an idea. Let me keep my bag with me. And we are enjoying the ride. Then Raju comes here with bag and Rani and Aslam here. Then both are same. Next one, see this here things given. Which of these two things will make the seesaw go down? Look at the example. Which of the two things, here two things given, will make the seesaw, which thing is go down? This first figure, see this very big, therefore in seesaw this kept here and this down. Therefore this first one figure, these things will make the seesaw here go down. Draw a line to match this heavier one. In this which a heavier one, then you draw here one line. This first one is heavier than this second one figure. Then this is a heavier, then you draw here line. Then in second picture you see this mug. This mug is heavier than this glasses. In see picture this big bucket. This big bucket is heavier than this cup. Then next one question, color the one which is lighter. Here some things given and which is lighter, then you color it. Here tennis ball, football. Tennis ball is lighter than this football, then you color here. Then school bag and geometry box. Geometry box lighter than this school bag, then you color it. Next one story you see here, Chotu monkey and the carrots. So this next one story, Chotu monkey and the carrots. Chotu monkey, here monkey, here two monkeys, Chikku and Mickey. Chicky and Mickey. Rabbits. No, two rabbits here, Chicky and Mickey rabbit. Saw a bag and it had carrots in it. In this bag, carrots in it. This Chicky and Mickey started like fighting, and these two rabbits started fighting for these carrots. I will take bigger carrot. No, I am bigger, so I will take bigger carrot. Then another, this rabbit say, no, I am bigger, so I will take this bigger carrot. Then Chotu monkey name is Chotu monkey came to help him. We want to share these carrots equally between us, but some carrots are big and some are small. What to do you do? Monkey said, we want to share these carrots equally, but some carrots are big and some carrots are small. Then how these carrots share? What do we do? Then can I help you? Chotu monkey brought something to help them. He brought something to help them. What he brought? Guess and tell what Chotu monkey used to help this Chiku and monkey. Draw a picture of it in the monkey's hand. See this picture in this monkey's hand. Which figure this? You see this in your picture and you draw. Find out when your parents buy carrots for the family, then how much do they buy at one time? How does the vegetable seller weigh the carrots? You find out these answers. How much can Simran carry? Here Simran's father. One small girl here. Her name is Simran. Simran's father needs to move some things from the store of their house to the kitchen. Then Simran wants to help her father. Guess which bag Simran can carry. Guess how can carry what. Her father carry this bag and Simran carry 1 kg of salt, 2 kg sugar here, 2 kg dal pack here, 2 kg cooking oil, 1 kg ghee, 5 kg atta, 5 kg rice pack here. Then you guess which bag Simran can carry. Which bag Simran can carry, which is lighter? Here, see here which is lighter. 1 kg ghee lighter, 1 kg salt also lighter. Then she can carry these things. Then can Simran carry any 2 of these bags together? If yes, which ones? Which 2 bags she can carry together? 1 kg of salt and again 1 kg of ghee. These 2 bags she can carry altogether. Which bags can you carry? Guess. Figure this. And I can carry a grain of sugar bigger than myself. She can carry a grain of sugar. Match the picture of an animal with the thing it can carry. You match this figure and with in carry. See first one, this small bird carry this leaf. Then you match here. Then second one, this elephant carry this wood, logs of wood. Then third one, this donkey figure, donkey carry this sugar pack. And last one, this dog catch this ball. Then you match here. Then next chapter, fourth one, see counting in tens. Fourth chapter here, counting in tens. Here chickens and the clever box. See this picture here, 3 chickens and here 1 clever fox. Tiklu farmer has many chickens in her farm. One day a clever fox, this clever fox saw these naughty chickens playing around. From that day she started stealing and eating chickens every day. Then that day he saw these naughty chickens playing around. Then from that day she started this stealing and eating these chickens every day. Then Tiklu came to know about it. She asked the fox, "Hey, do you eat my chickens?" Then fox said, "No, dear, I am your friend. How can I eat your chickens?" Then Tiklu thought of counting her chickens every morning and evening. But the chickens kept moving around here and there, and she said, "I will put 10 chickens in one basket." She said, "I will put here 10 chickens in one basket and count them. And if I find any of them missing, I will give the fox a tight slap." Then in the morning she counted her chickens. See how many baskets of these 10 chickens are there. How many baskets here? One basket. In this one basket 10 chickens. Again 2, 3, 4, 5. How many baskets are here? 5 baskets. 5 baskets. In each basket here 10 chickens. 10 chickens in one basket. Then total number of chickens here 10 into 5, 50. How many chickens are there in all? Then out of this box again here 4 chickens. See here 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 50 plus 4. Then total how many chickens there? 54. Then in the evening she counted the chickens again. There are dash baskets of 10 chickens. See here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here only 4 baskets and 4 baskets, and in each basket here 10 chickens means 4 into 10 only here 40. In the evening she counted here only 4 baskets and here 10 chickens in one basket means here 40, and there are out of this basket dash chickens in all. How many? 1, 2, 3. Only 3. Only 3. 40 plus 3 is equal to 43. Then 54 minus 43 chickens have been eaten by the fox. See here 54 minus 43. How many chickens eaten by the fox? This 11. This fox is eaten 11 chicken. Then how many are these? In this chapter again 2 points remain. This remaining part tomorrow. Okay.